You know that perfect summer morning feeling? Sun's out, plans are set, and your skin's glowing. Well, that's me today. But there's a secret behind this glow. It's Nutribs Sunscreen Skin Defense. My skin's ride or die. This isn't just any sunscreen. It's skincare in a tube. It has aloe vera, green tea, and almond oil, which protects, soothes, and nourishes my skin. And because my lips deserve the same love, I use Melt Lip Balm. It has cocoa butter and avocado oil, which heals, soothes, and makes lips soft. It literally melts into the lips and keeps them happy through every selfie and sip. So glowing skin, soft lips, and sun protection. That's how I do my summers. So hurry up and get your Nutribs Sun Defense and Nutribs Melt Lip Balm and thank me later for the glowing skin.